When you want to create a section header, what is referred to as a page fold, the first thing we do is to come down to the plus button, which opens up a link, opens up a new window, which has, this is referred to as a factory, and a factory is all the different types of plugins. Now the type of plugin that we want to use is called a page fold for those section breaks. So if you click on that page fold, it then opens up a box and you type in the name that you want and then press the escape key, and that'll then create the page fold. Now imagine, however, that it was created and as a normal text, and you want to change this text into a page fold. So say it was incorrectly made and you want to go and now change it back into from a normal paragraph, and you want to change it to a page fold. What you can do in that case is you simply go down, you open up the plugin, and if you press the Command M button, Command M opens up that window again, or the display for the factory. In this case, you would then turn it into a page fold and then hit return. And now you've converted text into a page fold by using Command M to open up the factory and to change the type of plugin that it is.